Sorry, Charlie, only GoCards can take the bus now. The Cape Cod RTA has launched the GoCard to make riding our buses easier and more convenient than ever. In short, the new GoCard integrates easily with your smartphone, is an easy, cashless tap-and-go fare system that allows faster boarding, and puts control of your ride and your Cape Cod RTA account in your own hands with flexible fare options. In this video, you'll learn how to use the new GoCard, as well as download and set up your account on the new GoApp for Apple and Android devices. With the GoApp, you'll be able to load funds onto your GoCard, manage your account, get important RTA updates, as well as see where your bus is with real-time GPS maps. There is a process to go through before you can use the GoCard, and we're here to explain it to you. But first, what if you still have a Charlie card? If you still ride the MBTA, then hang on to your Charlie card. If you only use your Charlie card, bring it to the Hyannis Transportation Center Monday through Friday from 8:30 till 4:30, and we'll transfer funds to your new GoCard. If you have a day pass or 31-day pass, you'll need to come to the HTC for a new GoCard. Next, where do you get a GoCard? You can ask a driver for a new GoCard. You'll then be able to add funds with the GoApp from your smartphone. Or come into the Hyannis Transportation Center Monday through Friday from 8:30 till 4:30, and we'll give you a new GoCard. If you're a senior or qualify for a disability card, you'll want to go to the Hyannis Transportation Center to start, as you'll be issued a photo GoCard and will be eligible for free fares if you register with us. Next, you'll have to download and install the CCRTA GoApp on your smartphone. It's available from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. If you're familiar with the Cape Cod RTA's Smart Dart service and have used it, then you already have an online account with us, and you can access your funds with the GoApp with the same login information you use for Smart Dart. If not, you'll need to set one up with the GoApp, and it's quite easy. Once you've downloaded the app, open it on your smartphone and tap Login, and then tap Create an Account. Enter your name, email address, phone number, create a password, then tap Sign Up. Tap the Contact tab. Then go to My Profile and complete your address information. Once you've done that, tap the Fares tab. You'll need to have a debit or credit card loaded to be able to load funds onto your GoCard. You'll also have to have your GoCard registered in this same tab. Turn your GoCard over and enter the first 5 numbers on the back. Once your card is registered, tap it when entering the bus to pay for your fare. Any active transfers and passes will be used first, followed by any stored value on the account. Stored value can be used for both fixed route and Smart Dart trips. Passes are only valid for fixed route service. Look for the green light to go. Remember, you can check the GoApp to view your funds and add more stored value to your balance. You can view schedules for all of the CCRTA's fixed routes. Plus, you can track buses in real time with GPS tracking. With the GoApp and the new GoCard, we're going your way.